Kodonyo weche motende kod wala ni jatend migao mar weche mag teko Pio Wandayi oyango ni migao no chano kedo neno ni kambi makeo mauta e pachoka Kenya Pipeline obedo kod yuto mamalo koloso e limbe mare apisi maduong' mar Kenya Pipeline bure Nairobi. Wandayi oyango ni gichano timo ohala e chirni maoko kaka mag pinje mag Uganda kod Rwanda e neno ni piny Kenya ogoyo okang' maduong' e sekta mar modhi. Kambino ochano mar keto okenge dongruok e neno ni oyaro ohala mage e chirni maoko ka nengo modhi kod mauta bende irango e yo ma ok bi kelo pek ne oganda.
As we are aware, we are venturing into a very serious business of LPG gas that we want to roll out to all our educational institutions and eventually to all our households. We are also aware that Kenya Pipeline is also establishing a fiber optic cable along its pipeline as a way of diversification. And this is also going a long way in connecting the country.
Uganda National Oil Company are now importing their own products, but using the pipeline network. So we still, as a Kenyan company, Kenya Pipeline, we are handling, storing, and transporting for them that fuel. Today we are doing close to about 90% of the Uganda market, but as Wasiri says, we are keen to ensure that the Uganda molecules, every drop of product in Uganda, is delivered through the gateway of Mombasa, which is Kenya. And lastly, about the Rwanda market, Wasiri says we were at the tail end of signing a memorandum of understanding between the two countries to be able to deliver products into Rwanda.